What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Go-Karts over here. I'm Trent. Today we have a well-requested video on the Manco brakes. I've had a lot of comments saying, hey, you need to have an installation video on it. So this is gonna be an installation video. I'm not gonna be putting them on my go-kart, but this is just the way how I would put them on. There's gonna be a reason why I'm not putting them on my go-kart, and you'll see that maybe in a couple videos from now. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Alrighty, so we got the Manco brakes here. Now, obviously you can see that I've done a bit to it, but we'll wait a sec to explain that. So when you get it, you should get your disc brake and then your caliper. Then you also should get this like metal bracket. I didn't really know what the bracket was made for, so this is what I did with it. So I took it, put it on, and then welded, there should be like holes on it. So I welded 2 nuts on there and have a bolt holding it down so it can't slide, won't come off. And then I added a bolt here and a bolt here. So now this, get it? This will swap, this brake will swap out for this one. So you take it off and you put it on. Then your brake, you'll need a bracket. Mine got bent up. But if you take it, you can have the bolts and you can weld on like right down here, weld on like a little, come on, focus, there you go. Weld on a bracket, and then you can take these bolts right here and you'll bolt them into, you'll drill holes into the metal bracket and you can bolt it down so it stays sturdy and it'll kind of line up with the frame and you can adjust the brake. But once you're done with that, and you have this bracket mounted to a piece of metal that comes off, you'll just weld that on there, comes straight down. You'll drill 2 holes, the same gap distance apart from here to here. You'll drill the 2 holes, and then you can bolt it down to those 2 holes, and then the metal part will be installed. Then you can take your brake, and if you loosen this bolt, and there should be one here. If you loosen this one and that one, you can slide the metal bracket side to side to get that adjusted, and you can slide that side to side. Now that's just the way I would do it. There's probably many other ways of doing it. There's probably a proper go-kart, but for me, because I have a welder, it works good. I'm not putting this on mine, because this go-kart right here, I do no longer own this go-kart. This is for my nieces. They will be driving this around, so I'm fixing it up for them. And I can, in a few other videos, I'll show you what I am now owning. But this is just how I would put them on. And so I'll show a little clip of how I welded these on real fast. Alright, so that's how I welded them on. It's probably not the greatest. Obviously, I'm still new to this, so I'm trying to get good at it. But that's how I would put it on, just like I said before. Weld a bracket onto here. It comes down to about there. Drill 2 holes into it. And then take these 2 bolts, that one and that one, drill the same distance apart, drill holes, slip it in, take the nuts, tighten it down, and it should just fit right there perfectly. And then you can undo the bolts and slide it back and forth, and you'll have your disc brake. But that's how I would do it. If anybody else has a different way, a better way, definitely share it in the comment section below. And yeah. Alrighty, so that's just how I would put them on. There's probably other ways of doing it, but that's just how I would do it personally. But yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. Feel free to hit that red subscribe button. Feel free also to hit the like button. It definitely helps. And hit that post notification bell so you can get notified whenever I make a post. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.